Alright, so hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Not Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. It's 2025, and I don't think it's a dulling year. It's a very active year that, and whatever skill you are in, whatever area of endeavor you are in, you should be doing really, really well. So today, quickly, I'm going to bring to us 3 ways that you can make more money as a fashion designer, as a tailor, whatever it is you like being called. All right. So if you are interested in content like this, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And if you look at this channel right here, I'm sharing my knowledge here on this my new channel on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. If you're interested, please don't hesitate. Subscribe to that channel. There's a link in the description below. Click that link in the description below and join me on this channel, right? So thank you so much, guys. So quickly, as a tailor, all right, yes, we know that the thing is you have a shop, people come bring their clothes, you sew for them, all right, and that's basically what people think about tailoring. When they say a tailor, you just feel like you have a shop, you sit down, people bring clothes and you sew for them. But I'm going to be unveiling other things to you that you should be doing as a fashion designer that will make you get much more finance, will grow your finance, all right? So one of the things I'm going to be talking about, and these are the things I have done, all right? So I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you. I'll be sharing my screen with you, all right, so that you'll be seeing what I'm talking about. I'm not speaking theory. I'm talking about practicals, what I have done as a person, all right? So one of the first things you need to do is to start having online classes. All right, guys, you need to start having online classes. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. I'm going to be taking you through some of my classes online, all right? And you will see everything yourself. So I'm going to go to my Telegram now because I hold those classes on Telegram, okay? So I'm going to my Telegram now and I'm going to show you, okay, how you can do this. Now, how do you do online classes? Someone asking, how do you do online classes? It's very, very simple. An online class is simply you taking time to make a video on either how to make a shirt or how to make a trouser or how to make a 6-piece skirt, how to make a suit, how to make a waistcoat, whatever it is that you can do very well. You take your time and you do what? You just do a video on how to make such a thing, all right? And after doing that video, what do? You upload it on a platform such as Telegram. Telegram allows you to upload lengthy videos, all right? So you upload it on Telegram. And once you upload on Telegram, the next thing to do what? Is to run adverts. Let people know that you have this class, all right? You fix a particular date, all right? So when that time comes, you send a link out to as many as pay for the class. They click on the link, they join the class, and the videos are in the class, all right? So you begin to interact with them, you give them an introduction, you allow them watch the videos, they ask you questions where they are lost, all right? And you put them through, okay? And whatever you want to tell them, you do that, and the videos are there. So for example, I'm going to be showing you some of the classes I have, all right? So for example, I have this suit class here. Let me click, okay, these are the suits. If you open this suit class, see, I have, you can see my screen. I have over 300. Let me zoom it. You see, look at this here. I have over 100, sorry, I have over 100 members on this suit class. Can you see that? Over 100 members on just this suit class. Can you see that? Now, if you scroll, you can see that you can see those that have been part of this class. You can see this person here. The person did, after watching the whole video, he did his practical. You can see it here. He sent to me to check it out. You can see this person did it and sent to me. Look at, you can see the correction I made with that blue mark there, showing the person where it's wrong and where correction needs to be made. All right. So you can see the videos are, look at this one of the videos I dropped for them to watch. The videos are all here. You can see them. These are the videos. This is number 8. Number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. That's all the videos are here. So all they need to do is to do what? Is to watch the videos, all right? And wherever they are lost, guys, I don't need to flog it too much. So that is one of the ways you can make money as a fashion designer. Have online classes, guys. Have online classes. I don't know how else I can flog it, but have online classes, all right? So if, as you can see, it's not only the suit class I have here. I have a vintage shirt class. Look at the vintage shirt class here. I have a trouser class, a plain trouser class. Look at it here, plain trouser class. I have a waistcoat class. Look at it here. I also have a safari suit class. Look at it here. All right. So, and any of the classes you want, if you want to join any of the classes, you just need to let me know. and I'll send you a link, all right, to join any of the classes you want to join. All right, so this is one of the ways you can make money as a tailor. Have online classes, guys. Very, very important. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is that number 2 way you can make money as a fashion designer, guys. Which one should I talk about? Should I talk about now? Okay. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so watching this video, if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe before we continue. Subscribe to this channel, right? And I believe you are getting value from what I'm sharing here. All right. So the next I'm going to be talking about is you need to, aside having these courses, all right. Number 2, you need to start selling them. You can package this course instead of having an online class. You can still sell these courses. There are platforms you can sell your courses. You have Seller, you have Instagram. You can advertise and sell these courses, package them. You can do some as ebook. You can anyhow package them and sell them. Okay, people get to buy. All right, and that also gives you much more money. And the number 3rd way, guys, it's very important. The number 3rd way you can make money as a fashion designer, guys, is by having a channel such as this one you are seeing right here. And guys, it doesn't cost a lot of a channel. You know, the thing is, so many persons are ignorant. That's why I said this channel right here. This one right here. I'm teaching people on this channel how to start and grow their own YouTube channels. It's as easy as anything, guys. As a fashion designer, if you have a YouTube channel, guys, it's another additional source of income. All right. Once YouTube begins to pay you, all right, you make a lot of money from it. And also, people get to connect to you from the channel. There are a lot of persons that call me, chat with me on WhatsApp, you know, within Africa, outside Africa, US. A lot of persons chat me up and I do business with them. Either they buy my course or they pay me for something, they pay me for work, or they, you know, and that wouldn't be possible if I was not on a platform such as YouTube. Right? So guys, you can start your own YouTube as a fashion designer where you are. And believe me, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have everything. All right. This video I'm doing right here, I'm doing with my phone. All right. I'm doing with my Techno phone. It's not even an iPhone, or it's not even a camera or something. You can start with whatever gadget you have. You don't need to have everything before you can start a YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel with an iTel phone. Is that funny, guys? You know, so you mustn't have everything before you start a YouTube channel, right? You just need to like decide to start. All right, and it's very simple. Like I said, if you want me to mentor you, I can mentor you on that. It's very simple. So you need to have a YouTube channel as a fashion designer where you will be uploading your work. And once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube begin to pay you for every content that people watch. So what are you waiting for, guys? This year, like I said, you cannot be behind as a fashion designer. All right, so I'm going to bring in much more content your way. All right, there are several other ways I want to talk about, but for today, we're going to stop here. All right, I'll bring up more videos on this issue because it's a very, very serious matter that we need to handle and tackle. Right, so guys, if you're interested in this video, if this content makes sense, if you learned a lot from this content, I'd like you to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you've learned from this content. And also, if you have a question, guys, please drop your questions in the comment sections. I'll be very, very glad to attend to your questions. All right, so guys, thank you so much. I hope to see you make more money this year as a fashion designer. All right, thank you.